Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing okay out there. We're doing good here in Arizona. It is, you should be seeing this on Monday morning, if all goes well. And we are doing a real quick video on our new template of the month for the month of May. So we're calling this
Mother's Day 2021.
Mother's Day 2021. So I'm going to carve this actually both ways. By looking at it, I can't really tell what's going to look better, so I'm going to carve it both ways. Got the layout done, and I've got my Milwaukee, my newest router here that I really like, and it's got quite a bit of charge on it still. And I'm going to carve with the carving liner. I'm going to do all the detailed stuff. So one I'm going to do inset, and the other one I'm going to do outset, and we'll see what happens. So let's get after it. Let's get it done. Here we go. I've got it set at about 1/8 of an inch, something like that. All right, folks, so there we have it. That's all of the detail. And now I'm going to put the profile bit in. We'll come right back with a profile and we'll do the rest of it. See what it looks like. All right, guys, I've got my little Bauer router. Again, one of my favorites. I've got my profile bit in. It's not a brand new profile bit. It cuts a little bit wider than normal, but that should be perfect for this. And I've got it set at about 3/16. So, yeah, let's do it. All right, folks. I think that is about that. Now we'll set up with the 60-degree bit and just take out the stuff that I need to get out of there and finish it up. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've got my little rigid router with my 60-degree bit. So I just want to take out the little pieces that I got to take out of there. I'm using the 60 just so it lessens the likelihood that I might run into something that I don't want to run into. So here we go. I got it set at about 3/16. Alright, so there we are. I'll brush it really good. So I'm going to brush this really good, make sure I've got all my high spots down. And then I'm going to spray it. We'll come back, we'll sand these off and see how they look. Be right back. Alright, let's take a look. There it is. So which one do you like better, babe?
Gosh, I don't know. I think
I
that
like
one.
this one.
Yeah.
I think I like that one better. I know they both look good, but I would pick that one, I think. Alright, there it is, guys. That is it. This is the monthly template for the month of May 2021, and it's called Mother's Day 2021.
That's it.
Yeah, we thought long and hard about that one. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. This will be on the website, hopefully by the time you see this. So, and you premium members, next time we send you anything, we'll include one of these. Like always, you know what the deal is. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please let me know. Eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you need supplies, there's the website, there's the YouTube channel, but you guys probably already know that. And let's see, we got some great things coming up. You guys will see, if all goes well, you'll see the first of the new project that Vicki and I are working on, which is so far is coming out really amazing. I think you guys will really like it. Anyway, guys, we'll see you on the next video. We love you. Thanks. Bye-bye.